In today's video, we're diving deep into SEO strategies specifically tailored for startups who are trying to break into highly competitive niches. We'll be using Semrush as our primary tool to show you exactly how to find those golden opportunities that can catapult your business to success. If you're ready to learn how to outrank your competition and grow your online presence, then you came to the right video. Part 1, the importance of solid SEO strategy. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about why having a solid SEO strategy is crucial for startups, especially in competitive niches. Visibility and traffic. SEO is all about improving your website's visibility on search engines. The higher you rank, the more traffic you'll get. For startups, this means more potential customers discovering your business. Cost effectiveness. Unlike paid advertising, organic traffic driven by SEO doesn't require continuous investment. Once you're ranking, you'll continue to attract visitors without having to spend on ads. Building trust and credibility. High search engine rankings signal to users that your site is a trusted source. This can significantly enhance your brand's credibility and reputation. Long-term results. SEO is a long-term game. The effort that you put in today can yield results for months or even years to come. This is especially important for startups looking to build a sustainable business model. With that said, let's break down the SEO strategy that'll help you conquer competitive niches. Part 2, understanding the basics of keyword research. Keyword research is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. Here's a step-by-step guide to finding those valuable, low-competition keywords using Semrush. So you're going to want to start with seed keywords. Seed keywords are the basic terms that describe your business or niche. For example, if you're in the personal finance sector, then seed keywords might include things like credit cards, personal loans, and budgeting tips. Expand with Semrush Keyword Magic Tool. Enter your seed keywords into Semrush's Keyword Magic Tool. This tool generates a list of related keywords along with the important metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, and cost per click or CPC. Filter by keyword difficulty. To find low competition keywords, set a filter for low to medium keyword difficulty. This ensures that you're targeting keywords that are easier to rank for. Analyze search intent. Look at the search intent behind each keyword. Are users looking for information, services, or products? Focus on keywords that align with your business goals and have high commercial intent. Example walkthrough. Personal finance niche. So let's go through a detailed example to make this process a bit more clear. Suppose you're running a startup in the personal finance niche, specifically focusing on credit cards. What we would do is we'd go ahead and open up Semrush and we would start with their Keyword Magic Tool. So over here on the left, we'll go ahead and click on Keyword Magic Tool. And for this example, we'll go ahead and type in credit cards and hit search. As you can see, there is a ton of search volume in credit cards alone, but we can also see that the keyword difficulty score here is also relatively high. So just to give you a little walkthrough over Semrush, here we have each keyword term, then we have the intent, then we have the search volume, and this is an average volume over a 12-month period. Next, we have the keyword difficulty score, which ranks from 0 to 100. So 100 being the most difficult to rank for, and 1 being the easiest to rank for. And then over here, we have the cost per click. So this is the average price in US dollars that advertisers would pay for a user to click on an ad triggered by one of these listed keywords. Now we want to filter our results. So we're going to apply a filter for keyword difficulty to show only low to medium difficulty keywords. So we'll come over here to the keyword difficulty filter. So I want to set a filter for very easy, easy, and possible. So we can see the percentages over here. So I'm just going to type in 0 to 49% and click apply. Now we can see keywords like Old Navy credit card, TJ Maxx credit card, Milestone credit card, and these are going to be keywords that are going to be much easier to rank for. As you can see, they still have some really good search volume. Now, one more thing I want to point out here is the intent and the different types of intent. So for the I, this is informational, and these users just typically want to find a quick answer to a question they have. The C is commercial, so this user wants to investigate brands or services. The N is for navigational, so the user wants to find a specific page or site, and T is transactional, so the user wants to complete an action or a conversion. So let's go ahead and take a look at this first one here, this Old Navy credit card. It has a high search volume of 301,000 searches per month on average over a 12-month period and a keyword difficulty score of 38. This keyword has some decent search volume and some low difficulty, making this a prime target. Plus it attracts a specific audience with clear intent, which is crucial for conversions. So next, what you'd want to do is plan your content around this keyword. So you could write a comprehensive guide comparing different department store credit cards, their benefits, drawbacks, and how to apply for them. What you want to do is ensure that your content is detailed, informative, and engaging. Once you've identified your target keywords, the next step is to create high quality content that ranks well on search engines. Content quality. Your content should be informative, engaging, and tailored to your target audience. Aim to provide value and solve the problems that your audience is facing. On-page SEO optimization. Optimize your content for on-page SEO. This includes using the target keyword in the title, headings, and throughout the content naturally. Adding internal and external links to enhance the content's value and authority. Visual elements. Don't forget to use images, infographics, and videos to make your content more engaging. Visual elements can help explain complex topics and keep readers on your page longer, which can improve your SEO rankings. User experience. Ensure your website is user-friendly. Fast loading times, mobile optimization, and easy navigation are crucial factors that affect both user experience and SEO rankings. Building backlinks. So backlinks are links from other websites to your site. They are a critical factor in SEO because they signal to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Partnerships and collaborations. Partner with other businesses or influencers in your niche. This can lead to natural backlink opportunities as they share your content with their audience. Broken link building. Find broken links on other websites and suggest your content as a replacement. Use tools like Semrush to identify broken links and reach out to the site owners with your suggestion. Part 5, scaling up your SEO strategy. As your site gains authority and starts ranking for initial low competition keywords, it's time to scale up your strategy to target more competitive keywords. Monitor your progress. Use Semrush to track your rankings and traffic. Identify which keywords are performing well and which need some more attention. Update and repurpose content. Regularly update your existing content to keep it relevant. Repurpose your best performing content into different formats to reach a wider audience. Part 6, advanced techniques for competitive niches. To really stand out in a competitive niche, you'll need to employ some advanced SEO techniques. Competitor analysis. Use Semrush to analyze your competitors. Look at the keywords they rank for, their backlink profile, and their top performing content. Use content gaps. Identify content gaps in your niche where there's demand but little supply. Create high quality content to fill these gaps and attract traffic. Leverage local SEO. If your business has a local component, you're going to want to optimize for local SEO. Ensure that your business is listed on Google My Business and use local keywords to attract nearby customers. Optimize for voice search. With the rise of voice assistants, optimizing for voice search is becoming increasingly important. Use natural language and long tail keywords to capture voice search queries. So to do your competitor research, what you're going to want to do is come over here to the domain overview under competitive research. Here you go ahead and type in a URL of a competitor that you want to research. So here we can see their authority score, we can see their organic search traffic, their paid search traffic, as well as their backlinks. And again, backlinks are links that are on other websites, and this is going to really increase your domain authority by having those backlinks. If we scroll down, we go ahead and see the different keywords that they're ranking for, as well as the keywords by intent. Now, if we go ahead and click on backlink analytics, we can see all the analytics for the backlinks for a competitor. And this is some really important information here that you can use to exploit your competitors. Staying updated with SEO trends. SEO is constantly evolving, so to stay ahead, it's crucial to keep up with the latest trends and algorithm updates. Follow SEO blogs and news. Subscribe to popular SEO blogs and news sites to stay informed about the latest developments. Attend webinars and conferences. Participate in SEO webinars and conferences to learn from experts and network with other professionals. Case studies and examples. Let's look at a few real-world examples and case studies of startups that successfully broke into competitive niches using SEO. Example 1 is NerdWallet. NerdWallet started as a small personal finance blog and grew into a major player in the financial advice niche. They focused on long-tail keywords initially, like best travel credit cards for students, which allowed them to build authority and drive traffic. Example 2, The Wirecutter. The Wirecutter, now part of the New York Times, became a trusted source for product reviews by focusing on low competition keywords related to specific product types. They used detailed guides and in-depth reviews to attract an audience, and their thorough content earned backlinks and high search rankings. Example 3, Canva. Canva, a graphic design tool, effectively used SEO to grow its user base. They targeted low competition keywords like how to create a flyer or social media graphics templates. Their blog posts and tutorial content helped them rank for these terms, attracting users who were looking for design solutions. SurferSEO. SurferSEO is another essential tool for SEO success. SurferSEO is another excellent resource to enhance your SEO strategy. They have the content editor. So SurferSEO's content editor provides real-time suggestions for keyword usage and content structure based on top performing pages. Has the SERP analyzer. The SERP analyzer tool offers insights into top ranking pages for any keyword, guiding you to craft content more likely to rank well by analyzing keyword density, headings, and use of images. Audit tool. SurferSEO's audit tool identifies on-page SEO issues and offers recommendations for improvement, comparing your page to top-ranking competitors. To get started with SurferSEO, check out the link in the description below. Breaking into competitive niches with SEO is challenging, but achievable with the right strategy. Be sure to use Semrush to its full potential for keyword research, competitor analysis, and tracking tracking your progress. If you want to get started with a free 14-day trial to Semrush, just click the link down in the description below. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to StartupWise for more tips and strategies to grow your business. Here on this channel, we make tons of videos on business and how to help new entrepreneurs succeed. And let us know down in the comments if you have any questions or topics that you'd like us to cover next. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.